think Elena and Juliet said it correctly. It was a gloomy November day here in West Michigan. In the 30s, low 40s at best. It is a little bit warmer to the south. We're going to tap into a little bit of that milder air, but I think it will be tomorrow. 13 weather ball is red, so some warmer weather ahead. But tonight it is blinking bright. We still have some showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder in sight.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Lots of gray skies around the area with a little bit on and off rain showers. Had more persistent rain and even some snowflakes well to the north this morning. Now it's become more showery. Temperatures north, you are only in the mid and upper 30s to near 40. We're 42 out at the airport here in Grand Rapids. 50 plus from Muskegon, South Haven southward. Some of that warmer air may get up into our area a little bit later on this evening. But out ahead of it, we've got some more scattered showers and even some rumbles of thunder up here in northern Muskegon County around the Whitehall and Montague area, heading up into southern Newaygo County, or up into southern Oceana County, heading toward Newaygo County. It's all out ahead of a storm system that is just southwest of Chicago. That's kind of rotating into the area, but that's going to move on through very quickly this evening, and the rain is going to come to an end very quickly. That will be after about 10 o'clock tonight, and then late tonight, skies are going to clear. We have got a lot of sunshine in the forecast. Sunshine all day long tomorrow. We'll see a couple of clouds come in tomorrow night. Friday, I think we're going to be mostly sunny and then become mostly cloudy by the end of the day, but no rain expected for those remaining high school football playoff games. And then more sunshine expected or partly cloudy skies on Saturday. Here's how much rain will fall this evening, perhaps another half an inch to 2/3 of an inch. But the good news is we're going to hang on to the sunny and milder weather, at least for a while. And that's going to extend toward the end of our 10-day forecast from the November 14th through the 18th. Pretty much the entire country has higher chances for warmer temperatures. Our average highs are in the mid and upper 40s, so that may mean 50 or warmer. And as far as precipitation, we're not going to be in the storm track yet, so high chances for less precipitation. You'll see that as we wrap up the 10-day. Tonight, the rain will be ending, maybe a rumble of thunder. Skies will become clear, 33 to 36 late tonight in Hart and Ludington, around 40 plus from Muskegon southward. Northern zone, you can expect conditions to improve after the evening shower. Skies will clear and then you'll drop into the mid and upper 30s. And from Grand Rapids southward, we're looking at breezy conditions at the lakeshore, not so much inland as the rain comes to an end. Overnight lows upper 30s to low 40s. 13 on your side forecast. This will be the most sunshine in a row since mid-September, starting tomorrow all the way through the following Thursday, and we'll stay in the 40s through the weekend and then climb to 50 plus next week. Next chance of rain will come the following Friday and Saturday. Wow, what an improvement.
Wow, I'm so excited for that sunshine. We've been stuck in the gloom for a little bit too long.
I know.
All right, thanks so much, George.
Well, yesterday was so nice for Election Day. Hopefully you got a chance to clean off more of the leaves from your yard, perhaps. But today, yeah, it was totally the opposite. Very wet, gloomy day. What's ahead? 13 weather ball is red, at least a little bit warmer weather ahead. It's also blinking bright. We have early evening showers and maybe a rumble of thunder in sight.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Hey, for Karen, Thelma might have to dodge some showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder here in the next hour or so. I'm going to give you the red paw for your 6 o'clock walk. It gets better. Yellow paw at 8 o'clock with just some lingering rain, and then a green paw by 10 o'clock as the rain moves out. Going to stay in the mid-40s all night, and the sun will be out tomorrow morning, so a green paw for your early morning walk as well. A lot more sunshine here tomorrow, most we've seen in quite a while. 9 out of a 10-point scale, 81% home energy savings from just the sun alone. Winds will actually be a little bit stronger than they were today, 7.8 out of a 10-point scale. So a lot of green energy from the wind and sun alone. That's all free energy being generated. To the north, got a little bit of energy in the atmosphere. We got some scattered thunderstorms rumbling up through Newaygo County right now, southern Oceana, northern Muskegon County. Not impossible it could be a rumble of thunder here as well in Grand Rapids. Some scattered showers out ahead of a pretty strong low pressure system that's coming up into the Chicago area right now. Got a warm front just off to our south, and that's trying to push up into the region south of the front. It's in the 50s. North, it's in the 30s to near 40. Here we go, hour by hour. This is 7 o'clock this evening. Very heavy rain in some spots, but by 1 o'clock, that's already into western New York State. Cloudy skies later on tonight will be followed by clearing and lots of sunshine here during the day tomorrow. Breezy west-northwest wind. Tomorrow night, just a few high clouds from the south, and for the most part on Friday we'll start out with sun, but some clouds coming in the afternoon. Really no measurable or any expected precipitation for the next 7 or 8 days. All of the rain tonight will be here in the next few hours. Maybe another 2/3 of an inch in Grand Rapids. Some spots could see a little bit more, but after that we're going to see the warm weather for the third week of November from the 16th through the 22nd. High chances it'll be warmer than average. That doesn't bode well for the opening of the firearm deer season on the 15th. Higher chances we'll see more precipitation during that 7-day period. So early evening showers, maybe a rumble of thunder as well, and then clearing skies, breezy all night as winds turn to the northwest. Mid-30s up north, around 40 from Muskegon southward. Northern zones, you expect showers and maybe a rumble of thunder as well before skies clear late tonight. Mid and upper 30s. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, our precipitation will be ending later on this evening. Overnight lows dropping into the upper 30s to low 40s. 13 on your side forecast. Going to put most sunshine in a row from this Thursday to next Thursday, most since mid-September. Highs will be in the 40s through Sunday and then climbing to 50 plus next week. Next Friday and Saturday, we might see some more rain. Very active weather developing here in West Michigan, mainly though due to the threat for some possible hail because it's just so cold here in West Michigan. Let's take a look at the latest update from the National Weather Service. This is for our folks way up north in Mecosta County, east of Big Rapids. There's a pretty good thunderstorm near Remus that may contain some hail and some gusty winds. This is a warning for eastern Mecosta County heading well away from the Grand Rapids area. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We have showers, even some rumbles of thunder in sight early tonight. It's also red. We have sunny and milder weather ahead.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Well, highs today were not very warm here in most of West Michigan. They only climbed into the upper 30s and low 40s. It's amazing that you can get thunderstorms when temperatures are in the 30s. Yes, a very dynamic system coming through. To the south, it's been 50 plus in Kalamazoo and in South Haven down towards South Bend. We forecast 48 today. It only made 43 so far. We may get closer to that as we go through the evening hours. A lot of rain up in north, about a half to 3/4 of an inch right in through Oceana, northern Muskegon counties, half inch at some of the reporting stations, but it's all being caused by that heavy line of showers and storms, and it has some lightning with it from Muskegon on up through Big Rapids. There's the storm we are tracking right now. It does have some hail in it. That's what this indication is right here, maybe up to an inch in diameter, and that storm is moving to the east at about 30 miles per hour, and it will contain some pea-sized hail. Also another stronger storm down here northeast of Allegan in eastern Allegan County. May get into Wayland here by about 6:30. It's moving again off to the east at about 30 miles per hour. Hour by hour, these showers and storms quickly moving on out. This is 11 o'clock tonight. These storms are already almost out of the state of Michigan, and skies will be clearing overnight, so we've got sunshine for tomorrow. Kind of windy though, especially at the lakeshore. Winds sustained around 20 to 25 miles an hour. Mostly clear tomorrow night, and on Friday we're going to start out the day with some sun, maybe some clouds coming in at the end of the day, but virtually no rain coming in our direction after this evening for about 7, 8, maybe even 9 days. But with those showers and storms going through tonight, there could be another half to 1 inch of rain just this evening, and more rain also down toward the Lansing area. Here in Grand Rapids, we could see about a half an inch. You can tell for the end of the month, we have higher chances for warmer temperatures across the area, and that looks like it's going to continue later on next week as well. Windy at the lakeshore, mainly sunny skies, 48 to 50 up north, low 50s from Muskegon and Holland south along the lakeshore. Northern part of our viewing area, mid and upper 40s. That'll be warmer than today. It'll be rather windy with that sunshine, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, windier toward the lakeshore, breezy inland. Highs will be in the upper 40s to near 50. 13 on your side forecast. Staying dry in the 40s all the way through the weekend, and then next week dry as well, but climbing to 50 or better for Monday through at least Thursday. Next to Friday and Saturday, there could be some more rain, but we're looking forward to that sunshine, most since mid-September.
Wow, that looks great.
Yeah, very much looking forward to that sunshine.